To play some music that's never been done before. Except a month ago we did it, but it sounded good. It's that project. Oh, I think these are on. I need a little bit more volume in my ears here, but we're going to do one of Brian's favorite albums, a personal thing that was dedicated to him by the Beach Boys. When we did it, we made a dedication out of it called "The Beach Boys Love You." It's really cute. It's quirky and cute, and it's just got Brian written all over it. It's really good. And so we're going to do it for you now, and hope you like it. Get you, babe, I went through the ringer. Gonna let you slip through my finger. Still in my fondest desire. From the past you set my soul on fire. Lord, please let us go on this way. I'll tell you long ago just what to say, yeah. Too long, oh, too long. I think about this game that I like to play, yeah. Too long, oh, too long. When I leave you, I'm so depressed. 'Cause you're my only happiness. Lord, please let us go on this way. Seems real, it's just a perception. Dreams and thoughts I don't know. We can fly high in the sky. And forever we'll never quit time. God, please let us go on this way, yeah. God, please let us go on. God, please let us go on this way, yeah. God, please let us go on. God, please let us go on this way, yeah. God, please let us go on. God, don't let us fall through the wonders. God, please let us go on. Well, she's a roller skating child with a girl in her hand. She gets my heart to beat when I see her there. I'm bound when she sings. She's such a angel, she got way. Sweet love when the sun goes down. Believe it tomorrow when the lights are around. Well, oh my, oh, what's your dream? She really sends truth inside of me. behind his microphone. Johnny Carson, he speaks in such a manly tone. Johnny Carson.
I had no idea that Brian was Johnny Carson.
The night was so young, heaven was still, the moon shining bright on my windowsill. I think of her lips, it chills me inside. Then why does she have to hide? Is somebody gonna tell me why? She's passing it by. She won't even try to make this love go where it should. Nights turning gray, there's clouds overhead. Still not asleep, I'm in my bed. I think of her eyes, dipsy sigh. I think of her voice, and it makes me cry. Is somebody gonna tell me why she'd be so right to hold me tonight? It was me on the It's 3 o'clock, I go to my seat, I put some milk, and I start to think. Is she asleep, or is she awake? And does she think of the love we could make? Baby, come, call me, baby, call me. Tell me what's on your mind. I got a time, and you're not too far. Please let
with her lips, it chills me inside. Think why she should not.
So finally gonna tell me why. Passing it by, she won't even try to make this love go where it should.
Okay, we're going to go back in time.
Yes.
To the start of the solar system. It first began, as we're going to take a little peek into each planet and see what happens. The planets meet, hand to hand, you ever see sunrise in the morning, it shines where you were born. Saturn has rings all around. I sense the sky and I found you. Solar the Milky Way, that's where the angels play. You see the lover's moon looks good in the month of June. Neptune is caught up the sea. Pluto is too far to see. Solar constellations are stars, they form animals, Leo, Capricorn too. Starlight, make this wish come true tonight. If Mars had life on it, I might find my wife on it. Venus, the goddess of love, can't thank all the stars above. Mercury's close to the sun. You see him when day is done. Solar system brings us When we sang this stuff, I had no idea we could sing it again. It's really beautiful. It's way under the thing, you know. It's just, well, the Beach Boys were going through the metal period in American music, and you know, and rap and everything was going on. But we were doing a total. Well, it wasn't rap, all right, it's something else. Disco. Okay, yeah, you're right. Actually, what's disco? I knew somebody here was coming by already, but you know, now here it is. Now we can do it. So it's I'm glad you enjoyed it. And this one here is just darn fun. This one here is a fun song. That,
Gosh darn fun.
gosh darn, this is one of my favorites on the album.
Honking down the highway, honking down the highway, honking down the gosh darn highway.
Chicago saxophone section over here. Paul Lewis. And Bob Lucic over here on bass. Bob Lucic. Okay, towards this. All right. This is really great. I love this one. A baby's twice. A baby's twice. It's nice to feel it makes me cry. 'Cause I remember when please don't tell me if it's true, because I'm still in love with you, pretty darling. I'm very sweet, I'm very neat, I'm very funny and that ain't all. I'm very sure that you quite wrong. Please don't tell me if it's true, because I'm still in love with you, pretty darling. You, my pretty darling. You, pretty darling. You, my pretty darling. Don't you ever tell me that you leave it? Now that you got to believe it. You are the sunshine in the flower. Come on and make my every hour. Baby's nice. Baby's twice. It's nice to feel it makes me cry. 'Cause I remember you and I. Please don't tell me if it's true, because I'm still in love with you, pretty darling. You, my pretty darling. You, pretty darling. You, my pretty darling. You, pretty darling. You, my pretty darling. You, pretty darling. You, my pretty Love you, fans out there. Converts. Yeah, converts. We need more converts. Go spread the word. And now this next one is rather a cute little song that we wrote in our off time. Kind of something we just did for fun. Yeah, it's kind of quirky, a little sleazy, and a little fun. You know, it's got all those little elements in it that you know when you're young guys, you just write stupid things and later you have to sing them. So, but it's kind of fun, and now Matt gets to do it. He gets to sing it because Brian's not here now, darn. So Brian's our Brian, not Brian. Matt is our Brian Wilson voice. Guess what? Just all the nice parts.
I got news for you. If Brian was here, he'd say, "Man, you sing this one."
You would. That is true.
Here you go.
My girlfriend Betty, she's always ready to help me in any way. To do my cooking, she's always looking for ways she can make my day. When I'm looking at her, she's sounding to the matter. She really tastes like a day. She gets your feeling warm. You know what that can be too. What do you get? good looking. I miss her when she's gone.
And when she gets to dancing, she gets me up for ransom, especially when we're dancing close. She'll do the dirty boogie, that's when I go up in smoke.
You guys having a great time? You guys can sing with us on this one. This is a fun
I think you should. I hope you sing along. It's kind of fun, and you'll get the feel for it. I'm sure you'll know what to do. So badly. Let's try to add a chorus. We're going to add a chorus, okay, and a verse after this. We're going to try it a little bit different this time. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, you guys start. Brian's daughter Carney used to come and visit us at the recording sessions or rehearsals, and one of the things I loved doing was serenading her with this next song. And it's a song that Brian wrote about his firstborn, his child. Of course, Carney loved the last bit of the song. She always wanted to get to the last bit of it. You'll see what I mean. Wash your face
I can see everything below. The houses they look so tiny, the cars look like dots. We've only got 15 minutes to go. The clouds in the sky, the night so tenderly. The sun shines down on the great big beautiful sea. Can't wait to see her face. One, two, 3. I can't wait to see her. 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 I can't wait to see her.
Thank you, Brian. Thank you for all your genius. Well, speaking of genius, this next song is Paul McCartney's favorite. And apparently he says it's the best song ever written. Now I'm almost ready to go. Just about the right time for that. God only knows that we need it.
Love you, but long as there are stars above you, work of short